Imagine being able to mark a very special day on your calendar, one that promises an awe-inspiring spectacle in the night sky, unlike anything most people will ever experience. An event of such magnitude, a cosmic explosion so intense, that it will be visible to the naked eye for weeks. You won't need a telescope, nor will you need any special equipment. All you need to do is look up at the sky, and for a brief time, you will witness a brand new star shining brighter than anything else in the heavens. This is not a far-off fantasy or something straight out of a science fiction movie, but a real, extraordinary event that is just around the corner. In September 2024, a nova will burst into life in the constellation Coronae Borealis, and it will be an event to remember for all of us. A nova is a rare type of stellar explosion, an event that occurs when a white dwarf star suddenly experiences a catastrophic burst of energy. White dwarfs, which are the remnants of stars like our Sun that have run out of fuel and ceased their nuclear fusion processes, are fascinating objects. They are dense and compact, packing a mass similar to that of the Sun into a body only about the size of Earth. This results in a gravitational pull so strong that it can pull matter from a nearby companion star. When a white dwarf siphons off material from its companion, the accumulated hydrogen on the surface of the dwarf begins to compress, eventually reaching a critical point where a thermonuclear runaway occurs, resulting in a massive explosion. This explosion is known as a nova. While a typical star like our Sun fuses hydrogen into helium in its core over millions of years, the white dwarf's explosion is far more dramatic and far-reaching in its effect. The power of a nova is staggering, releasing energy equivalent to that of 1,500 times the brightness of the Sun. The shockwave from the explosion causes the star to suddenly outshine everything else around it, appearing like a brand new star in the sky. For a short time, the white dwarf will shine with the intensity of a supernova, though not nearly as destructive. But the effects of the explosion are still felt for days, even weeks, after the initial eruption. In the case of the upcoming nova event in 2024, we will all get to experience this spectacular light show firsthand. This particular nova, caused by the white dwarf Coronae Borealis, has drawn significant attention from astronomers. The constellation Coronae Borealis, known as the Northern Crown, is located between the well-known constellations of Boötes and Hercules. It is a relatively easy constellation to find, thanks to its semicircular shape that is easy to pick out in the sky. The nova will appear within this arc of bright stars, providing a striking spectacle for all who are watching. Even those who are not well-versed in stargazing will easily recognize this sudden burst of light as a new addition to the night sky. The best part is that this event will be visible to the naked eye, even in light-polluted areas where the stars are usually hard to see. However, while this nova will be an amazing event for us on Earth, what's truly fascinating is the fact that it is occurring 3,000 light-years away. Light from the explosion will take 3,000 years to reach us, meaning that we are witnessing an event that took place long before human civilization even existed. To put it into perspective, when the light from the nova reaches our eyes in 2024, we are actually seeing something that occurred during the Iron Age, around the time ancient Egyptian civilization was flourishing, and early city-states were forming in Greece. The fact that this nova is happening so far away, yet is visible to us at this exact moment, is a humbling reminder of the vast scale of our universe. The star Coronae Borealis has a fascinating history. This white dwarf, located in a binary star system, has been the subject of scientific study for many years. It is part of a small group of white dwarfs that periodically experience these violent eruptions, and the most recent nova events associated with Coronae Borealis occurred in 1866 and 1946. These eruptions, while explosive, are not entirely unpredictable. Through careful monitoring of the star's behavior, astronomers have been able to detect signs that a new explosion is imminent. These signs include fluctuations in the star's brightness, as well as increases in radio and X-ray emissions, all of which point toward the eventual buildup of material on the surface of the white dwarf. Since the mid-2010s, astronomers have been increasingly excited about the activity in the Coronae Borealis system. Observations in 2018 and 2023 revealed unusual fluctuations in brightness, sparking renewed interest among scientists. These fluctuations were similar to those seen prior to the 1946 explosion, leading many researchers to predict that the next nova would occur in the near future. Sure enough, the signs are all pointing to a 2024 eruption, which has the scientific community buzzing with anticipation. But why is this nova so exciting? For one, it is an incredibly rare event, happening only about once every 80 years. The last such explosion of a nova in this system occurred in 1946, and many people alive at the time would have had the chance to witness it. For the rest of us, however, this will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. In fact, for many people, this might be the only time in their lives they will see a nova with their own eyes. To make the most of this extraordinary event, it's important to know exactly what to look for. On the night of the nova, you won't need a telescope to spot the new star in the sky. All you need is your eyes. The nova will be brighter than most of the stars in the sky, easily outshining even some of the more prominent stars like Arcturus and Vega. In fact, it will likely shine brighter than any of the stars visible to the naked eye, providing a dramatic light show for anyone lucky enough to be looking in the right direction at the right time. If you are fortunate enough to have a telescope or binoculars, you'll be able to see even more details of the event. You'll be able to track the brightness of the star as it fluctuates and dims over the course of several days or even weeks. You'll be able to witness the nova slowly fading back to its normal state, as the white dwarf slowly burns through the material it has accumulated. It's a rare opportunity to witness the end stages of a white dwarf's life cycle. As the nova subsides, the star will return to its previous faintness, and will likely remain invisible to the naked eye for many years. As scientists continue to study Coronae Borealis and its explosive activity, they are learning more about the process that causes these stellar eruptions. The material that accumulates on the surface of the white dwarf is mainly hydrogen, which builds up over time as the dwarf siphons off matter from its companion star. The hydrogen forms a thin layer on the white dwarf's surface, which becomes increasingly compressed under the dwarf's intense gravity. As the pressure builds, the temperature also rises, causing the hydrogen to undergo a process known as fusion. This fusion releases vast amounts of energy in the form of heat and light, igniting the explosion that results in the nova. The reaction is so intense that the white dwarf briefly shines 1,500 times brighter than it did before the explosion, outshining everything around it. What makes these explosions so fascinating is the sheer amount of energy involved. The nova that will occur in 2024 will release an amount of energy equivalent to the combined force of 476 trillion hydrogen bombs. To put that into perspective, a hydrogen bomb is one of the most destructive weapons ever created by humanity. A single medium-sized hydrogen bomb can destroy an entire city. Now imagine the force of 476 trillion hydrogen bombs detonating at once. That's the kind of energy released in a nova, and it's all happening on the surface of a white dwarf star. This type of thermonuclear runaway is a spectacular process, but it's also dangerous. The explosion may appear beautiful from our vantage point on Earth, but the violence of the event can have a profound effect on the white dwarf. As the explosion reaches its peak, the white dwarf will briefly reach temperatures of up to 10 million degrees Celsius. This extreme heat causes the hydrogen atoms on the surface to fuse into helium, releasing even more energy in the process. The explosion propels the outer layers of the star's material into space, leaving behind the core of the white dwarf, which will eventually cool down over time. It's an incredible sight to behold, but also a reminder of the incredible power of these stellar explosions. The aftermath of a nova can be just as fascinating. Once the explosion has subsided and the star returns to its normal state, the white dwarf will have lost a significant amount of material. However, the white dwarf itself will remain intact, continuing to pull matter from its companion star for millions of years to come. Eventually, though, the white dwarf will reach a critical mass. This limit, known as the Chandrasekhar limit, is around 1.4 times the mass of the Sun. Once the white dwarf exceeds this mass, it will no longer be able to support itself under its own gravity. The result is a catastrophic collapse, which can lead to the formation of a neutron star or even a black hole. But until that happens, we have the opportunity to witness the beauty of the nova as it unfolds. As the white dwarf continues to accumulate matter, we will see occasional explosions that light up the sky, offering us glimpses of the universe's most powerful and mysterious phenomena. These events may occur once every 80 years, but when they do, they remind us of the immense scale and power of the cosmos. As we look forward to the nova in 2024, we can't help but be filled with wonder. It's a rare opportunity to witness the end stages of a star's life cycle, to observe the powerful forces at work in a distant corner of the universe. Whether you're an experienced astronomer or a casual skywatcher, the nova will be an event you won't want to miss. So mark your calendars, get ready to look up at the night sky, and prepare to be amazed by the brilliance of the stars.